got some new construction toys. This is the one that I really like. This is the one I really like. This is the one that I really like. It's my favorite construction vehicle. This is my favorite This is my second favorite.
So when we were at Alum Creek North Park the other day, Caleb saw all these kids that had like construction vehicle toys playing in the sand with. So the next day he wanted to look on Amazon to see if we could find any similar vehicles. So he's found this pack of 3 from Amazon, and we'll give you the link down below so you can check them out too. They're awesome. They love them. We just got them in the mail.
They're very big. And I love trucks and cars.
They're nice and big and sturdy. What, buddy?
I love trucks and vehicles.
You love construction vehicles, so they're nice and big and sturdy, and the kids have been out here in the backyard
really cool.
playing with them, finding some stuff to dig with.
This can actually turn and the wheels can turn. The reason there's dirty is because we've been playing with them.
So can that arm lift? Show everything that it can do.
The scoop can lift. This can lift. That's as far as that can lift, and this can go up and down. This can turn.
So show Emma's, what can yours do?
Mine can lift up and down. This can move. That's it. The wheels can move, of course. And that's about it. Yeah. Now
What about you, Noah?
the wheel can move. And then this can move. This is like the highest it can get. Wait, if with that you're the biggest. But that's not part of the thing. This is it's the biggest. Well, yours is the shortest because it doesn't. Because it doesn't include this. And they're based off of real construction vehicles. That's their logo.
Mm-hmm.
Cat.
So they're nice,
Wait.
very nice plastic. I'm very impressed with the
some
quality of the plastic.
What logo is that?
What? Cat. It's called Cat.
Cat. It's a type of construction vehicle company. But mine is called KEP.
No, it's K-A-T.
But it's KPT. KPT. No. I'm 5 P's. Where's the logo? Look, it's gonna be on mine too. There's one logo on the back. That says cat. You're now outside. It's upside down. It looks like it's gonna rain again.
Yeah, it stormed earlier today. Like stormed, and I think it's supposed to rain again.
Yeah, look over there.
No, it's not raining yet. No, it's really nice outside.
Hey, look over there.
Look over at the,
These are really cool.
So the kids just wanted to show everybody these cool construction vehicles and show you guys where to get some too. They're great for the beach or the park or just outside in the backyard. So we'll put a link to where you can get these on Amazon down below. And we hope you enjoyed this video. And we didn't do a big vlog today. We were just at home playing and catching up on some housework and schoolwork. So we'll try to make a video tomorrow. And we'll see you later.